Good afternoon, friends. Congress wants states to continue to provide residents with boosted federal unemployment benefits. Welcome back to my channel. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. I post several times a day to bring you up to date on the latest news. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure to watch until the end of this video when I will announce the winner of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. There remains little evidence that states successfully nudged people back to work by ending federal unemployment benefits early. 26 U.S. states withdrew jobless support in July. Their governors, predominantly Republican, believed enhanced jobless aid offered an incentive to stay home instead of going to work. Data suggests other factors are playing a larger role, according to economists. They cite ongoing health concerns, childcare issues, and expanded savings among a host of issues sidelining workers, even amid record job openings. Federal benefit programs officially ended on Labor Day in the remaining states. This unemployment cliff impacted more than 8.5 million people who lost all their benefits completely. Workers' response to the first unemployment cliff suggests a Labor Day end also won't provoke a surge of job growth. Most people who lost federal aid in June or July were not reemployed by early August. That led to nearly $2 billion aggregate spending cut. There are many reasons to believe the impact may be more pronounced in the remaining half of U.S. states. For one, the Labor Day cliff, which impacted big states like California and New York, affected a larger volume of workers than the one over the summer, perhaps making it easier to spot job impact in available data. But the crisis may be making unemployed workers nervous and leading employers to struggle finding people for open positions, especially for in-person work. Americans are still sitting on elevated savings, perhaps partly due to enhanced benefits, allowing unemployed workers more time to find the best fitting job. Relatively few workers have received incentive payments in the states that created special return to work bonuses to encourage unemployed people to take jobs earlier this year.
Civilian Climate Corps, which we call CCC. Why are we here today? I've been a leader in pushing for this. It's going to put a new generation of workers on a pathway to green, family-sustaining union jobs in the communities hardest hit by the climate crisis. Translation: jobs, jobs, jobs. Green jobs, green jobs, green jobs. Good-paying green jobs. And finally, good-paying green union jobs that focus on the people who've been left out, communities of color, and others. That sort of sums it up. The modern CCC takes a page from Roosevelt's book, but modernizes it to the problem, the number one problem our globe faces, which is climate change. The CCC would directly address our interlocking crises, the need to deal with global warming and the carbon and other things, methane, etc., that's going into our atmosphere. But the need also to create millions of good-paying jobs for people who never had them. It marries those two concepts extremely beautifully and extremely well.
As businesses complained they couldn't find workers earlier this year, Republican governors cut federal unemployment benefits, including an extra $300 per week that they claimed caused workers to refuse low-paying jobs. But 9 states used relief funds to create signing bonuses ranging from $1,000 to $2,000 to encourage people to resume work. Several Democratic-led states that didn't cut federal unemployment benefits also offered employment incentives. Congressional Democrats did not expect states to cut federal unemployment benefits or to use the relief money for employment incentives, though Republican lawmakers had proposed bonuses as an alternative to more generous unemployment benefits. Everyone, the key word for this video is grape. If you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for next Friday, please subscribe to my channel, comment below the keyword, and also like this video. Thank you so much, everyone. House Democratic leaders said a vote on the bipartisan infrastructure deal will be held next week, amid tensions within the party over the size, scope, and timing of President's domestic agenda. Majorities Leader Steny Hoyer stated Tuesday that the plan would be put up for a vote next Monday or Tuesday, despite lingering questions over whether it will have enough Democratic votes to pass. As Democrats look to push through both the infrastructure deal and a much larger budget resolution, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi have been pushing a two-track plan for months, which is a strategy that has earned the support of the White House. The first part of the plan is a bipartisan infrastructure deal, which was passed by the Senate earlier this year, with support from numerous Republicans. That deal spends about $500 million in new money to address traditional infrastructure priorities, such as roads, bridges, and waterways. The second part is an ambitious, multi-trillion-dollar budget that would address climate change and vastly expand a nation's social safety net, which would be paid for in part by new taxes on higher-income Americans and corporations. Democrats can pass a budget with 50 votes through a process known as reconciliation, a parliamentary maneuver that sidesteps the filibuster. But doing so will require the support of every Senate Democrat, plus the 2 independents that caucus with the party. However, Politico News reported that moderate Senator Kristen Sinema stated that she would not vote for the budget deal unless the House held a vote by September 27th this month. President Biden has worked to win Sinema over in recent months, but she has frustrated her fellow Democrats on several fronts since the president took office. On the other side of the caucus, more progressive Democrats are insistent that they have the votes to block the infrastructure deal in the House. Representative Pramila Jayapal, chair of the Congressional Progressive Caucus, reiterated on Friday that a majority of her 96-member group is ready to vote no on the bipartisan deal if a vote is held prior to the budget passing the Senate. Chuck Schumer said Tuesday that the Senate will be unable to pass a budget by the September 27th deadline. Friends, thank you so much for joining me here this afternoon. I truly appreciate it. The winner of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway is Mark Phillips. Congratulations, Mr. Phillips. If you would like to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for next Friday, please like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and also comment below the keyword for this video. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very, very blessed weekend.